All right, folks, the moment you've been waiting for. Our hottest bullet ice maker is here. Get ready for some icy cool surprises. The ice maker's here. First things first, let's make sure the box made it here in one piece. Damage spotted? Don't return it yet. Reach out to our customer service. They'll help fix it. Check the manual for contact info. No dents, no scratches. We're good to go. Let's dive in. Time to unbox the magic and chill with our new ice maker. What's inside? Let's find out. Gently slide through the packaging and meet your new chill machine. Lift the lid and peel away the stickers to uncover the ice-making magic inside. The accessories include an ice scoop, an ice basket, a handle, and a user manual. Quick DIY alert. Rotate the handle to match the angle and pop it in. Your ice maker is ready to rock. If any parts are missing or you need extras later, our support team has got your back. Reach out anytime. After unboxing, place the machine on a level surface and let it sit for 24 hours. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit Euhomy.com and connect with us anytime.